This old wooden bridge has become dangerous and unreliable. Every crossing puts lives at risk. Transportation is slow and unsafe.
The primary structure looks stable, but this deck section is critical. Copy.
A new solution is about to begin. Engineers carefully measure and plan the new bridge. Every detail is mapped with precision.
That's good. Plant the flag.
The old structure is removed. The site is cleared for construction. Foundation work begins. Strong foundations are essential. Steel reinforcement is installed. Concrete is poured carefully. The pillars rise from the river. Strength and stability take shape. The structure begins to emerge. Massive beams connect the pillars. The bridge framework extends across the river. Precision engineering ensures balance. The main structure is completed. A solid base is now visible. The deck is prepared. Reinforced steel grids are placed. Concrete forms the roadway surface. Workers smooth the surface evenly. The bridge deck is completed. The concrete cures and hardens. Protective barriers are installed. Safety guardrails are added. The bridge becomes secure. Safety is now guaranteed. The road is connected to the bridge. Gravel layers are spread evenly. Heavy rollers compact the base. A strong road foundation is created. Everything is prepared for asphalt. Hot asphalt is laid carefully. The surface becomes smooth and strong. Rollers compress the asphalt layer. A perfect driving surface is formed. The transformation is nearly complete. Road lines are painted clearly. Streetlights are installed. Traffic signs are added. Visibility and safety improve. The bridge is ready for use. A complete transformation. Travel is now fast and safe. Traffic flows without delay. People cross with confidence. The bridge connects communities. A symbol of progress and development. The future is built today.